Hello everyone. Next unsolved question is 1625. Lexicographically smallest string after applying operations. Okay, so let's go to the question. It's taking time to load it. Second. Yeah. So many disliked it, so it must be pretty easy question still. It's medium, so I'm gonna solve it. You are given a string S of even length consisting of digits 0 to 9 and two integers A and B. Okay. You can apply either of the following two operations any number of times and in any order on S. Add add A to all indices of S, zero index. Okay. Add A to all indices of S. So you are there is a string S. Let me write it. There is a string S, even length. Okay. Now 0 to 9 is inside it, and there are another two integers A, B given. You can apply either of the following operations any number of times in any order. Okay. Add A to all indices of S. A to all indices of S. Okay. Digits post 9 are cycled back to 0. Okay, it will be taken like mode 9. Not mode 9, rather mode 10. For example, if S is this, A is 5, then 3, 4, 5 and 6, add 5 to each. Okay, and then take mode also. So 6 plus 5 is 11, but taking mode it to 10, it will become 1. 5 plus 5 is 10. Mode taking mode to, okay, 1 second. Yeah, 5 plus 5. Okay. This is a bit problematic. All indices. Oh, okay. Odd indices. So only this and this will be considered. It will remain 5. Add here, don't add here. 5, 4 plus 5, 9, and the 3, 9, 5. Okay. Rotate S to the right by positions, by B positions. So 3, 9, 5, 1. By 1 means, okay, for 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be converted into by right now. So 3, 5, 6, and say 5. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, and 6 will come at first. So, okay, at the end of it, lexicographically small string V is needed. Okay, so these are examples. Further, the length can go up to 100, and A and B are given. Let's see what we can do here. It looks a bit pretty straightforward. Like if we have 0, 0, 1, 1, if we have 0, 0, 1, 1, and A is 4 and B is 2. Okay, it's already it's already so much small. Hmm. And every time we are adding, like if it is 8, 8, 8, 8, by addition, yeah, by addition to it, 8, 9, 8, 9. Like if we have the number 8, 8, 8, 8, and our A is equal to 1, let's see, let's take an example. 8, 8, 8, 8 is our number, and A is equal to 1. Then 8, 9, 8, 9. Then again after that it will convert into 8, 0, 8, 0. Okay, now reverse it. So 0, 8, 0, 8. Now, oh, that's why it was telling like not reversing it. Reversing is not the right thing to do here. We have to go right. So if any number is given, like suppose n1, n2, n3, dot 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 nk, what we can do is we convert it into the minimum possible value, okay, from nk to the previous one. Then we rotate it to the right. Okay. Now we will try to, now this will become our odd indices n2 and dot dot dot. Then we will convert it after that. Okay, let's see what else can be done. Hmm. N1, N2, N3, dot 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 dot, Nk. So 555255 converted into 205. Let's run. Let's try that. So at first it is rotating, then adding. Hmm. It is a bit difficult to understand. Hmm. Let us suppose let's do some kind of BFS traversal. Like we can start, we like it's a if we have a number, we can either go for rotate or we can go for add. This I haven't found anything, like I haven't found any greedy solution in here. Greedy is not anywhere. So rather than thinking about greedy, let's rotate it and add. Okay. Then further rotate it and add it. Add one more time. And let's do the same thing until unless we will find 5525 again. Okay. Okay. I, mm, so all the rotations and all the addition will count up to at max what? Okay. Let's see the hint also. Yeah, 10 cross 10 cross as dot length. So is it going to check all of them? As dot length is 100. Oh, even length is given now. So we have to check all possible. Yeah, that's the same thing. Like if you go for BFS, hmm, and if and at any place, okay, now I got it. Like I have taken the hint just because to reduce the time I will put into verifying whether I am correct or not, I'm going on wrong path. But somehow whatever I thought was correct, because I should have also taken the constant into account, but I haven't. But now if you take it, like we have 100 digits, okay, possibilities of each is like 10 possibilities are there. Okay, and if we rotate them, like, this is 10 cross 10. Length is even, so okay, this is a bit not conventional, not trivial. Non-trivial, so 5525. And if it's 4, if its length is 4, if we try to add at odd indices, first all the rotations, after doing all the rotations, there can be 10 rotations, and for each 10 rotations, we can do it on, if we add 1, like 5 and 2, if we add 1 to each of them, it will become not 5 and 1, sorry, 5 and 5. If addition of 1 will be done, it will convert into 6, 6. Okay, add 1, again adding 1. So there can be like 10 possibilities now, like either 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, dot, 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 again 4, till 4. So there can be 10 possibilities here. That's why it was saying that string length cross total rotations cross the total possibilities. So these are not that much big. You can see that this is order of, like, there are 10 to power 4 operations, since string length at max is 100, cross 10 is the digit length. Oh, not 10. uh, this should be also 100, I don't know, like 100 cross 100 cross 10, 10 to power 5. It is what I could think of. Okay, let's not go there. Let's try our BFS thing. Okay, we will start from the number, we will add and rotate. If the current number is already in set, we will stop execution, or we will go further. Cool. And at the end of it, at the end of every one, until as we reach the end, we will do this operation, and finally we will return the min of set. Okay, return the min of set. It should work. Let's see, let's try to code it. String, we have to return in string. Cool. Lexicographically smaller, so it is like whichever is small. But we can't mess at a place like 0, 0 is there. So we can compare string to. Let's sort it first. Not sort it. Okay. For I in K, no. Let's take a helper function, input the string. Okay. Now this is the set. Okay, visited set. Visited is equal to set. It is an hash set actually, and we're going to also pass a and b. Okay, so the new value that will be called is, okay, yeah, if the current s, if s in visited, then return. Okay, I don't have to go further. But if it is not there, then we have to convert the s array in two types. Like, first we are gonna add b to its odd indices. Okay, let's convert it first. Let's take a temp one, or let's take a addition. Okay, s add. Let's s add, and the another will be s rotate. So what will be our s add? For I in range, length of s, range length of s. Let's convert s into an array. It will work better, or tuple. S is equal to tuple of s. Tuple of s, yeah. Print s. Put I in range, whatever. Okay, yeah, it's converted into tuple. Now all we have to do is add it and rotate it. So rotation will be a bit non-trivial. Okay, how will I rotate it? Divide it and add 1 to it. That could be a possible solution. Hmm, divide it by 10 and mode to be added at first. Okay, let's take the string then. It would be difficult task else. So we are taking the string and so what are we gonna do now? Let's write the algo. We will take the string as, okay, we are going to take a string as, we are going to create a new function. It will do something like DFS, okay, or BFS, no, it will do DFS. So it will be like define helper s comma a comma b. So it will do helper on s add after adding a, okay, and other one is helper as rotate. We're gonna do these two things. We call on it and recursively we are going to call it, and finally we will get the answer. Okay, and we have to also put the base cases. So let's do it here. So instead of trying this thing, mm, would I in a working with a string is a bit non-trivial also, while I have to use helper as add and as rotate, and AB will be same. We can also have added AB as non-local. Let us suppose like we are going to add it as non-local A and B. Okay, so we don't have to worry about these. Taking it as parameter will be a problematic. Okay, if s invested return, cool, and we are going to create s add here. So how are we going to create s add for I in range? Length of si, we can't change, it's immutable, so we can't change si, I think. Like, let's try it on terminal. Okay, so we have an string s of 0. Let's try to change this. S of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, sorry, string doesn't support item assignment. See, we can't assign anything, we have to do something else. But taking list would be only our option, so we will pop it and okay, pop and push all of s. So to add for I in range length of s of 1 second, 2050, to add we are taking these indexes, these are odd indexes according to it, we are adding it on odd now. Okay, no, we are from starting from 0. Okay, cool. So for I in range length of S, if I mod 2 is equal to 1, S of I is equal to plus equal to A. A is a string. Okay, no int. It is an int. S of I is equal to int of S of I plus A. Then take its mode. What if I would have converted all of them? Yeah, convert all of them as int before. Okay. S is equal to int of I for I in S. Cool. So now it is an int. Oh, okay, now it is looking better. So for index in length of S, what we are gonna do, if it is an odd index, we are gonna add A and we will take mode to 10. Okay. But this will convert our SI. Okay. So we are gonna use tuple instead of it, or str or tuple. Okay. Z is equal to set of S. Okay. Now after dealing with this, I will rotate it. So S dot pop and S dot, okay, S is equal to S dot pop plus, so if it is popped, okay, so now S is 10. So we finally got our sadd. Sadd is join the string, join it, okay, join the all S. So str of, yeah, str of for str of I for I in S. This is our sadd. Same thing I will do for S rotate. Join all the string, but currently, okay, so I have called it, and I have to also add both of these. Dot add. Oh, instead of adding them, I should better add it, all the S's. Okay. Now I will call the helper and return min of S. Now let's run the code. Where am I adding it? I'm adding, yeah, I'm adding the list. That's a problem. So rather than adding a list, I should have added a string. So how to add a string? By joining it again. Okay. join s. Same. I don't know, like I put a lot of effort in it, like it wasn't something that should be taken. Okay, this is hmm. String does not suppose. Okay, S is a string here now, but I have passed a list. Int of si. Yeah, s is supposed to be a. Okay, here I. Okay, that's a problem. So instead of doing this, I could have directly copied s every both of the time, but it will take a lot of memory. But no problem, it will work because all the length is 100. That's why. What is 2? Hmm. Let's try to print 10. Okay, temp is good to go. No problem in temp. At 4542, adding 1, adding 2, adding 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, that's why it is becoming like this. It's s rotate, but s rotate is there and str of I is also there. All are in string. S should be taken as an int. Yeah, that's a problem. Here s of I of int. Okay, let's remove this and write s as a list of. Now what? I am passing. See, so here are non-local ABs given. Okay. Now this one is checking whether a string is not inside. Checking whether visited or not. Okay. So if a string is already there, then return. Else, now add the string. Okay, I'm taking str of I. Instead, it is already string, so I don't have to do this now. Rather, only s will work fine. Yeah. Join s, visitor dot add join s for I in range length of s. If I mod 2 equals 1, then si change the si into. This should be converted into str. That's the thing I left. I convert into str and then okay, here I am printing the temp. pop it and then append it back. Okay, not do it until unless you'll find same again inside the variable. And here I'm returning the min of s. So what is it returning? Okay, I'm getting min of s. Should be min of visited. My mistake. But visited also contain, yeah, now it should. Start output now. Okay, 0003. 003. What's the input? 5525. So somehow I raised 0003. Okay, let's see where I have raised 0003. There's no pause button. Okay, uh, what we can do here is, one second, let me check. Okay, it is recording. So I'm really foolish. Like I haven't studied, I haven't gone through the question really good. We have to rotate it b times. Okay. See, we have to rotate it b times. Integer b, so we have to rotate it b times, and we are rotating it like not b times. So let's rotate it b times here. We have our s again. So what we will do is, let's see how to rotate it. We have an array 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to rotate it one. If we want to rotate it once, we have to do it like this. So array from 0 to b. Okay, no, not b. Length of array minus b. Yeah, it will work. Length of array minus b. Now our new array will become 0 to length of array minus b. Here we have to add array of, okay, to right now. Yeah. So from here, length of array minus b to last. Length of array will be like length of array minus b to last plus this. Okay, let's try to do this. Our new s will become s of length of array minus b from starting plus same to end. From minus b to end. So now, if this won't work, I don't know what. Oh, print wasted. Oh, not s. Instead, we should use s, not array. Yeah. So this time we are gonna return minimum of this. and min of wisdom. It should return an integer, no, string. Oh, 5020. It happens reached 2050. Why? Okay. B is 1. Let's print wisdom. Five zero two zero 5525. Okay. 5121 is also there. It should be 2050. We have 5222. Everything is here. 2555. No, it's like 5222. Why is this happening? One second. Helper B rotation is a bit bad. Yeah, yeah, it's really pretty bad. Like we have to do this now from last. So this was easiest question in which I was effed up. Let's see. Finally, we have to print it also. God knows what really will come. Okay, it's done. Thank you guys. Subscribe for more questions. Thank you.